Hello guys, please like and subscribe. I'm going to open all these 10 McDonald's toys from McDonald's. Let's open the first one. We got this both. We got both. Let's put it through here. Then the next one. Oh, it's the gold Happy Meal. I'm going to put it next to it. Next to it. We have this gimmick, but oh, it's just the water. And you put it here. I got the McDonald's restaurant. Let's put it here. Let's grab this. We got the 4-piece chicken nugget. Put it here. Oh, it's the ribbon. Look at this. It has a button here. Press it. The robot comes out. Put it here.